It's about to be a cat fight.
A cat fight? Is that your phone making
Yeah.
noise?
Good way to pull a prank on people.
What if there's something in here? Oh, it's another phone type thing.
Yeah, because I wonder if I could pull a prank on people and do a video. But I don't know why I get people all worried. Is it terrible? God, they're fighting. Isn't that weird? If I put it on like a speaker, like through a phone, hook up a speaker thing, it would be louder. That really freak people out. No. Anyway, if you like, please subscribe. Thought y'all might like that. Just an idea for what I thought would be a prank, but I don't think that'd be a good prank to pull on make people think there's a cat fight. It's only just sound effects. Thanks for watching.